Gold yesterday has hit all-time high levels and created fresh highs at 2685 before sliding a bit, while silver has also hit 11 to 12 years high at 3270, 3280 zone. I hope you all profited with the prediction yesterday. Now, what to expect today? How to profit trading gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. And this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. See, it is very important to understand why the levels are given. And this is the only channel to give you detailed analysis on multiple time frames twice a day, with proper reasoning for a particular entry and the take profits as well. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, like, share, and comment, friends. It is always a great motivation for me. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Yes, the next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Now, look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can clearly see every time prices diverge from the 20-50 period moving average, it comes down to take the support here. Yet again, you can see prices taking the support here from the 20 period moving average. Thus, it is very important. In order to price turn bearish, we have to wait for it to now drop below first 2660, 665, then 2660. If these two levels are taken, then there will be slight bearishness, which you can observe here. Right now, you can see a little bullish stance. Also, if you look at it, is delivering lower highs and higher lows, and we have to wait for it to give a breakout either which ways. And yes, a move beyond 2678 should be a good entry point for us, and then you can again expect it to keep moving towards 2685, 2691, and in fact 2696 or 2704 levels as well. Yes, the stochastic is rising. MACD has retraced here. Good enough. It can converge crossover for a buy. RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 2. Likewise, on the 2 hour chart, see every time prices diverge, it comes down to take a support. See again and again the 20 period moving average giving it a very good support. What has happened here? A bit of retracement and now trying to bounce back. I will wait for the next candle, and if the next candle appears something like this, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to a move towards 2680-85 zone again. And I have shared several times, now 2685 and 95 is the zone which it needs to break in order to turn bullish for the day. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is right now here is bearish. RSI almost flat, trying to look upwards. Coming to the 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar formation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. And now see, every time, first of all, a bottom here is created, then it is now delivering higher lows and higher highs. If you connect the dots, this is how the channel is created. And you can see the highs for the day should be at around 2695, 2700 if it consistently stays bullish from the current levels. Right now, another way to look at the charts here is, it has got the resistance here, it has reversed from this zone. Now it is very important for the price to stay above 2675, 76, 2680, then 2685. 3 levels to break, and beyond this we can look forward to stronger bullish momentum here. Also look at this, the long-term line coming in, and this should be a greater resistance here for gold. It has tried to breach this once, failing to do so. We have seen it reversing. While on the downside, now see a similar observation, nothing different. You can see this rise and look at the movement here. Then look at the movement here. This is the same observation what we had seen here. And this third round of rise here can be expected as well. Be watchful of a breakout. Stochastic rising. MACD here has crossed over. Now this is a slight bearish sign, and this suggests, because see this is coming from a slightly higher level, this suggests that there could be further down move, and hence till 2685 we have to be careful today. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts also, if you look at, see one bullish candle, couple of retracement, again trying to bounce back. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Just wait for a breakout 2665 or 2660.58. These two levels, once it breaches, further bearishness may prevail here. And again, 20 period moving average is something you should watch out for. The observation is more or less same here. 2 legs of rise here and sideways bullish movement. Wait for a breakout either which ways. Right now the stance is very much bullish. Moving averages are also looking upwards, staying bullish. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD interestingly has crossed over, and see first cross, second cross, and it is trading with divergence. Though the divergence is moderate, but this is coming from a higher levels, and this is a worry point for the bulls. Definitely this is a sign that there is lot much of bearishness. But even if it delivers couple of bullish candles here, it will not be in a position to cross over. we can see moderate greener candles, and then prices again drop. So this is something you should watch out for, and that is why I say till 2685 today you have to be careful. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to, before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. We trade diverse instruments including multiple indices and commodities from across the globe. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments and which is available, the broker which is available across the globe and which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads on offer. Do join it. Now look at the day. See, on the daily charts, I can sense that the bullishness here is getting diminished. Look at preceding candles and look at yesterday's candle. Though it is green, but it is closed at almost less than half of the body size. So now, very important for gold to stay below 2660-58 zone, and if it drops below this, you can say a reversal can be expected. Now, what this reversal can mean, it can drop sharp, but right now the stance is not very much supportive of the bears. But yes, it could reverse, and thus once it stays below 2660-58, we can look forward to a further. Also on the upside, remember, it has formed a tail and a breakout beyond first 2675.76, then 2680, and then 2685. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish, it is going to deliver higher highs again, and then we can look forward to 2691, 96, and 2704 levels as well. Stochastic overbought here, which calls for it to retrace. MACD here is consistently looking upwards and staying bullish. It is not even shown even a slight signs of conversion, means it has not even shown any sign of drop as of now. RSI is at extremely overbought. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold if you see it is staying above 2675, 76. Expect a move towards 2680, 2685. Once these two levels are taken, we can look forward to 2691 and then 2696, or in fact 2704. It could try to hit 2700 once before reversing. This is one possibility you should not ignore. However, right now the things are very much overbought here for gold, and hence a slight retracement I am expecting. Thus you can take a selling and take 2666.65, expected to move towards 2660.58. Any drop below 2658.60 should take it towards 2654 and 50. First support zone below 2650 is where we are looking forward to a greater drop, which is going to take it till towards 2640-42. In fact, 2630-32 is also very much possible. Yes, if it drops below 2650-54, we are looking forward to a greater correction. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. On the hourly charts, you can find out the rise here, and since then it is just trading in this channel here. Though it has given a breakout but failed to sustain, we have seen it coming back down. Now on the upside, you can see this zone now 3220, 3230 is going to remain critical again. Any move beyond 3220, 3230 is a sign of further bullishness, which is again going to take it towards 3280 levels, and then in fact 33 can be seen here. But right now also, if you look at the hourly charts, what has happened, series of bearish candles, reversal sign, first bullish candle, there is a possibility that it can deliver a second bullish candle. But again, as I mentioned, till 3220, 3230 zone today, do not treat silver as bullish. Remember this fact. Stochastic is bullish here. The MACD has dropped sharp, it can converge crossover for the buying entry. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour chart. See, lower highs are seen here, and it has been trading in this bearish channel. We have to wait for a breakout either which ways. And in fact, if you see 3210 levels, $32 levels here on the lower price, you can initiate a buying entry, but then you have to be extremely cautious till towards 3220, 3230 zone. While on the sell side, I will recommend a selling if you see it is staying below 3170, where you can expect 3150, and below 3150 is where the bears are waiting. Stochastic has dropped sharp, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, price is again and again coming down to take the support from the 20 period moving average, failing to sustain below 20 period moving average. We have seen the candles closing on the upside. However, we have to be cautious here with the buys or the sells both, because let it give a breakout, and yes, only a breakout above 3220, 3230 is a sign of bullishness, and a drop below 3160 and 50 is a sign of bearishness. As long as it stays within this zone, we have to be watchful, careful, alert. What is happening? You can look this phenomena: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Every time it is just taking the support from the 20-50 period moving average. Now 50 period moving average right now sitting at around 3150, 3140 zone. So this is going to remain an extremely important support zone. Stochastic has dropped sharp, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI has dropped as well. Coming to on the 4-hour charts, likewise, see retracement candle. See rise started from this zone. It has again back to this zone, taken the support here, trying to bounce back. Just let it stay above 32, 32.10 zone and then 32.20, 32.30 zone. These two levels, if it breaks, stay bullish. We are looking forward to again fresh highs towards 32.80. In fact, $33 levels as well. Possibility exists strong. Stochastic dropped sharp. MACD has crossed over here for sell. This is a slight bearish sign on the 4-hour charts. RSI comfortable after dropping a bit. Coming to the day, look at the daily chart. See what has happened yesterday. See, first of all, look at the preceding candle. It comes with a bigger wick on the upside and a smaller red body. Remember this fact, it comes with a bigger wick and a smaller body on the downside. Now, this is the first red candle. There is a possibility of a second red candle and a bigger red candle here. Remember, there is a strong possibility that it can deliver, but again, as it is started on a flat note, it could reverse and rise as well. And that is why I say 32, 32, 10 zone, you can initiate a buying entry, but you have to be cautious towards 32, 20, 32, 30. Now, see, after forming a bigger wick, it could be the reversal sign and initiation of bearishness here. What we could see is what we had seen here, and where it could move towards, it could move towards higher lows, which means a move towards 3140, 3150, or in fact $31 levels can be expected. But first thing is, till 3140, 3150, do not treat this as bearish. It can bounce back up again. And on the upside till 3220, 3230, do not treat this as bullish as well. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bullish, RSI is flat. Looking at this, you can buy here at 32, 3210 zone, expect 3220, 3230 zone. Once it stays above this, stay bullish. We can look forward to 3260, 3280, and in fact 3310 levels here today itself. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3170 levels, expected to keep moving towards 3155.50 at the first target zone and below 3135. If it breaches 3135, stay short for 3115 and $31 levels. The next target below 31, we are looking forward to great bearish move, chances for which appears to be very, very less. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.